video, we are going to learn about how to dehummer the voice or dehum the clip which you want. Maybe it is used in podcasts as well, but we don't use in Premiere Pro or any editing much of this effect. But if you want, you can use it, and I will explain it how. So go to audio effects, and here you can see dehummer. Just drag and drop the clip, go to effect control, and here you can see same as you saw in denoise and de-reverb. Go to custom setup, edit, and here you can see there are wavelengths. Here you can see there are so many things, like if you want to remove the 400 hertz harmonic voice or maybe humming voice, you can press that, or whatever humming voice you have to remove, you can just click that. But right now we are keeping it in default. And in this clip, if you have any humming noise, we can just reduce, and you can increase this harmonic slope wherever you want. And if you want to adjust some of this, you can adjust. Right now I'm not going in depth. I just wanted to know you that there is an effect called dehummer. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.